Oh my gosh. Uy, nadi karon. So, good morning. Welcome to Shanful Advice. Now, atong topic karon is about a post sa usa sa akong Facebook friends. And ayang post goes like this. Dili ko mosalig, I rather save money kaysa magsalig ko sa PhilHealth and insurance. Make it life insurance or HMO. So I understand and I respect your point of view, okay? And this is what I can say about it. Now, kung mag-save ka og kwarta, that's good. Definitely, that's good to save up for any medical costs in the future, medical expenses. But it's better to have a backup plan, and that is insurance. Let me give you an example. For example, namoy gitumong sa imong partner or ikaw gatumong ka or imong plan is you need to save up at least 2 million. For example, that's the minimum cost for any major illness. So let's say 2 million imong save up. And then you want to save up for the next 10 years. Okay? Okay, feeling nimo after 10 years, masakit na. Okay? So puta na lang ana. So you need to save a year, no? Per year for 200,000 pesos. Okay? So for 10 years, that's 2 million. Correct? Yes. Okay, now, the question is, getting a word ng what if? Because our life, our health is unpredictable. We don't know kano sa may tabo. Bisa kung saan ba na itong exercise or whatnot. Okay? What if? Nag-save ka 200,000 pesos first year, right? And then that year, you got a critical illness, na-diagnose og, let's say, cancer, stage 3. Oh my God! Right? Ang question is, nakatigom na ba ta og 2 million or napaka sa 200,000 pesos? Of course, napatas 200,000 pesos. Will it help you recover with your illness?
Hell no!
So that's why it's good to save up money for any medical cost. Good day salig sa PhilHealth, no? But it's better to have a backup plan, which is an insurance to cover you up for, let's say, 2 million, 3 million, even 100 million pesos. Just in case, dili ka abot o 10 years pa ang imuhang giplano nga 2 million. Na nakay coverage nga worth 2 million since day 1. On top, sa imong save up as well with your medical expenses in the future. Have you learned something today? Thank you so much.